This is an experimental mini 3D bioprinter. The tool could directly print biomaterial onto organs, and one day it could be deployed inside the human body.
We can directly deliver multiple layer biomaterial inside the living body. Because the current bioprinting technology, they have to make biomaterial outside the body. And then in order to deliver the material, they have to require open surgery. But open surgery, they require a lot of infection and blood loss.
Similar to an endoscope, the soft and flexible robotic arm is inserted into the body, either through the mouth, anus, or a small skin incision. Using bioink, the device can print biomaterial onto organs and tissues, for example, to repair them after an injury.
So this is a larger version of our 3D bioprinter. This is basically used to deliver biomaterials to the injured site or after the surgery to facilitate the healing process. We have a camera located at the tip for the visualization, as we can see right here, and we have one channel at the tip for the delivery of the biomaterials. And at the back, we have the controllers to control the bending of the bioprinter.
And it doesn't only print. It can also make incisions and spray water to clean the wounds after an operation. In the future, this medical tool could be used for different types of surgeries, including the removal of cancerous tumours.
Eventually, this device can utilize all-in-one surgical device that can perform the ankle-cervic surgical procedure, and therefore we can remove a certain type of cancer tumor inside the body, like the gastric or the colon cancers.